Welcome to the future-ready career path for full-stack PHP developers with GenAI certification. This program, designed by IBM and IIT Patna, integrates the complete web development lifecycle with generative AI. You will earn 4 IBM badges, 1 IIT Patna certificate, and 1 BIT certificate. Choose your learning pathway: front-end, back-end, or full-stack. Front-end is ideal for designers and beginners, while back-end suits those who love logic and data. Full-stack offers complete mastery and is best for career switchers and professionals. All modes are instructor-led. The front-end development track, leading to IBM professional certification, focuses on creating responsive, AI-powered user interfaces. You will master HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and generative AI skills for UI/UX. Outcomes include building responsive UIs, using React architecture, and applying AI-assisted workflows. The Backend PHP track, certified by IIT Patna and BIT, focuses on building robust, data-driven web applications. Core topics include PHP and MySQL. You will specialize in either Laravel, 𝐂𝐸𝐿, or WordPress. Key outcomes are server-side logic and RESTful API development. Full-stack development combines both front-end and back-end for complete mastery, making you an end-to-end specialist. You'll master essential tooling like Git and VS Code. Capstone projects include building an e-commerce platform, a custom CMS, and an admin dashboard. The front-end deep dive includes detailed modules on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and generative AI for UI/UX. Hands-on projects include a personal portfolio and an interactive dashboard. Key learning outcomes are responsive design, API consumption, and state management. The Backend PHP Deep Dive focuses on server-side logic and secure API development. The core curriculum covers advanced PHP and MySQL. Specialization options include Laravel or 𝐂𝐸𝐿/WordPress. You will build projects like a RESTful API system and a CMS/blog engine. The program features 5 major capstone projects to build your professional portfolio. These include an e-commerce platform, a headless CMS blog, and an analytics dashboard. You will master complex state management, secure APIs, and real-time features using technologies like React and Laravel. Master the complete modern web development stack. Our curriculum covers industry-standard technologies across front-end like React, back-end including 8 Philippine pesos plus and Laravel, and dev tools such as VS Code and Git. We also integrate DevOps, design, analytics, and generative AI tools. Achieve job-ready competency with our comprehensive 360-degree matrix. This covers technical mastery in both front-end and back-end, key architecture patterns like MVC, and modern generative AI skills. We also focus on industry quality standards and crucial career readiness steps, including mock interviews. Generative AI is revolutionizing web development. Learn to use it for UI/UX ideation and rapid prototyping, code generation for scaffolding, and content creation. Key benefits include 3 times faster prototyping and enhanced accessibility, setting you up for the future of the industry. There are high-demand career opportunities with strong growth potential in India. Roles like full-stack developer and UI/UX engineer are rapidly expanding. Annual salary ranges vary from 3 to 6 LPA for entry-level positions, reaching 12 to 25 plus LPA for senior roles. The Indian tech market is driven by MSME digitization, D2C e-commerce, and the SaaS explosion. To win interviews, recruiters look for real projects, an active GitHub profile, and recognized certifications like those from IBM and IIT Patna. Follow our structured step-by-step roadmap from enrollment to job offer. Phase 1 focuses on skill acquisition through training and hands-on labs, culminating in certification. Phase 2 covers career launch, including capstone builds, career prep, and placement support. Our triple certification from IBM, IIT Patna, and BIT provides immense value. These ATS-friendly credentials ensure employer trust and serve as strong proof of work. Previous students have successfully transitioned from college fresher and support roles into full-stack and back-end developer positions. Get started today. Prerequisites include basic computer literacy and a laptop. Select your pathway and schedule option, whether it's the fast-track weekday cohort or the weekend cohort. Contact us for a counseling call to begin your web development mastery program.